Hello everyone, welcome to Excellent Programming. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download a Visual Basic Powerpacks and add into a Visual Basic. First of all, let's get started from the Google, whereby we're going to download a Visual Basic Powerpacks. Let's search for that download, which is already here. Okay, download a Visual Basic Powerpacks. Click enter. Okay, now we're going to go with the first page, which is a Microsoft official page. Click on the first page. Okay, there's a download button here. You can download your Visual Basic Powerpacks from this download button here. As for me, I've already downloaded. My setup is already here. Let's start the installation together. Click on Show in Folder. There we go. I have Visual Basic Powerpack setup. Double click. Okay, click on next. Term and condition, the license terms. Then therefore you must check this checkbox. If you want to read, you can also read. Click on installation. Wait for it to complete. Finish. Now let's go to the Visual Basic. Open the Visual Basic Studio. I've already, here we go. Now what you do, on your left hand side there is a toolbox. Here, click on it to open. Go down here, right click, then add tab. Click on add tab. Then write Visual Basic Powerpacks. Visual Okay, after that right click on Visual Basic Powerpacks. You right click on this, then go to the choose items here, click on it. There we go. Filter. In filter here, on this text box, write power. Type a power. Then there we go. You can choose the one that you want from here. As for me, I'm going to choose all of them. Then click on OK. That is it. I've already added the Visual Basic Powerpacks here.